Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable mobile data when the Wi-Fi is active on Android phone. Okay, if you want to keep mobile data and Wi-Fi on at the same time, we have to activate the developer option on our Android phone. We have to go to our settings and we have to open the about phone setting. Okay, this one, and select the software information. And on the software information, we have to click on the build number several times until the developer mode is active, like this. Okay, and now the developer mode has been turned on, and we can open the developer mode. We just need to click on this developer options. Okay, and we have to find the setting to keep the mobile data and Wi-Fi on at the same time. We just need to scroll down until we find it. Okay, this one. Click on mobile data always active, and you can read the description right here. Always keep mobile data active even when the Wi-Fi is active for fast network switching. Just click on the circle button, and now the mobile data will always active even when the Wi-Fi is active. And I guess that's how we can enable mobile data when the Wi-Fi is active on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.